Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To copy an estimate to a purchase order, you must use the old layout estimates and invoices in QuickBooks Online. Also, the estimate status must be either accepted or pending, but not closed. You must also have enabled purchase orders within the expenses category of the account and settings window in your company file. Additionally, you can only copy items to a purchase order from the estimate that are marked as being purchased from a vendor. These are the items within the products and services list for which you checked the I purchased this product or service from a vendor checkbox when you created the items in the product service information pane. If you need to change an old layout estimate status, open the saved estimate. Then click the status below the customer dropdown to show an estimate status drop-down menu. Select the desired estimate status from the Estimate Status dropdown. Optionally, enter values into the by and date fields to confirm who accepted the estimate and when. Then click outside the dropdown to close it. Then click the Save button in the toolbar to save the change if needed. To copy the items from the estimate to a new purchase order, click the drop-down arrow on the Create Invoice button towards the upper right corner of the estimate. Then click the Copy to Purchase Order command. Then read the message and click OK in the window that opens to copy all the qualifying items from the estimate to a new purchase order. To delete any items you do not need from this purchase order, click the trash can icon at the right ends in the line items area. Then double-check each remaining line item's costing information to ensure its accuracy. To assign the line item amounts to a customer or project, select the correct one from the Customer Project Columns drop-down menu. Then select the desired vendor from the vendor drop-down at the top of the form and fill out the remaining fields in the form as needed. Then save and send it as usual. You can repeat this process to create as many purchase orders as you need to send to the different vendors associated with the estimate and edit each as needed.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.